Do you guys want more keyboard reviews? Oh hey, I'm just about to go to bed.
Yo, what's up? Guess what? I'm not dead yet. You know me, I love buying cheap ass keyboards from Chinese websites. Today we got a new one. This is called a Royal Kludge. Royal Kludge.
What the frick is this?
More specifically, it is a RK61. This was super freaking cheap. How much did I spend on this? This was around 35 US dollars, which is pretty sweet for a mechanical keyboard. We're gonna start with the unboxing. Boom. Yo, here we go. That's freaking nice, dude. Look at those keycaps. This is a, I don't know what the frick size these are called. Like just a small one, the one without the F keys. So it's a very tiny keyboard. It's so small actually. Other things that's in the box, we got the instruction manual, which I'm not gonna use. They do give you a little brush for cleaning your keyboard. Extra keycaps, micro USB cable. That's it. These are the extra keycaps. They're like Sakura flowers. Another one, and another one. I think it's the escape key Sakura. This is it. All right, you guys want a sound test? This is a red switch.
I think, was it a red switch?
Whoa, this spacebar sounds like shit. I think it's just Royal Kludge red switches. This is the pink Sakura version with blue LEDs, and it's wireless Bluetooth, I think. Oh, I forgot to mention, they also gave me a full set of keycaps that's completely white. So in case I want to switch out the pink keycaps, I can with an entire set of white keycaps. Like why would it give me a full set of keycaps? That's so weird. Just switch in the back, you turn it on, pulsating blue, man. This is freaking nice. I always wanted a keyboard with a white case because it looks so nice with these pink keycaps. But look at that, that's so cool. Thumbnail time.
What's popping?
I don't know how to connect this with the Bluetooth. Wait, I don't even have Bluetooth on my computer. What the heck? I guess you have to take my word for it that this is Bluetooth. Here's different lighting modes that exist on this keyboard. So we got the constant, got this crazy one, got this flowy wavy thing, that crazy one, got this snaky one, the wave thingy. I don't know, man. Yeah, let's play some Bosa.
The circles.
Hey, stop! Why?
Holy sh! I suck. Okay, so this has been the Roll Clutch RK61. I think this is an excellent value for a cheap mechanical keyboard that's also wireless, which is awesome. It does use its own bred proprietary switches, so I guess it's alright. I mean, I don't think it's that bad. For just $35, you get something that's like built pretty well. It's got like hard plastic. It's not metal or anything, but it does the job well. The keycaps are just incredibly nice. Look at the spacebar, it's so beautiful. And I think it's so worth the money if you don't have a mechanical keyboard yet and you're looking for something that's extremely cheap. Okay, so the things I don't like about it, not USB-C cables. I don't like that. The spacebar sounds a little funky. It's a little loud. Another thing that I don't like about this is that the instructions that came with this keyboard is that they're all in Chinese. So then if you don't know Chinese, then it might be hard to figure out how to like macro keys, how to like change keys, and like how to like get this set up. Other than that, I don't think there's anything like remotely bad about this. This is an incredible value for this keyboard. Another thing that I don't like about this is that I think this is called a 60% keyboard. So it doesn't have the F keys, which I need. It doesn't have arrow keys, you know? When you don't have arrow keys, then how do you like play games? I did test the Bluetooth functionality and it's fine. I mean, you just pair it up and it works like any wireless keyboard. The problem is I don't know how bad the latency is for playing Osu, so I probably just use wire if I was playing Osu with this thing. So if you're looking for a keyboard that's around like $30–40, a mechanical keyboard, and you want something that's like wireless, this is a very good option. I think the keycaps alone are just like worth the money. They're so nice. And the lighting's nice. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That'd be really helpful. Also, you can check out my Twitch in the link below. I do stream Osu, so you can watch me play more Osu over there. But other than that, bye.